This is the Gen 2 Air Smart Ring that differs from the original Gen 2 in 3 specific ways. 1, it doesn't have sleep apnea monitoring in it, whereas the Gen 2 original does. 2, it uses a different charging device that plugs into the USB and charges directly, as opposed to the original that has a larger charging dock that has battery backup in it that you can charge it several times or plug it in for direct charging. And 3, it's $100 cheaper. Really? It also has this little spot, so when you put it on your finger, you make sure that's down and you have it in the proper position for alignment. That's not on the original Gen 2. Other than that, it is a sweet smart ring that supports all the functions that you see on the original, including the wellness balance clover leaf or diamond, depending on what you want to use. All kinds of info regarding sleep, activity, stress, and vital signs. Even lady tracking information is built into this one. You have trend analysis in here with all kinds of historical data broken down over recent 7-day averages and comparisons of the past 2 weeks, and a built-in AI system that can assess your own data and work with that to give you improvement information and ideas on how you can better improve your overall health right from a smart ring. Again, this is the Gen 2 Air Advanced Smart Ring. Check it out.